Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings and welcome back. Thank you so much. اليوم راح ناخذ قصة اسمها The Librarian of Basra, a true story from Iraq. علياء محمد وحدة من النساء المشهورات على مستوى العالم في العراق، لكن ما مشهورة بالعراق. هذه الامرأة المكافحة الله يرحمها توفت، لكن تركت أثر. أكو كاتبة اسمها جينيت وينتر كتبت لها قصة عن كفاحها في الحفاظ على المكتبة أثناء فترة الحرب. هذه القصة مشهورة على مستوى العالم، على مستوى أوروبا حقيقة، وتباع في المكتبات. اسمها The Librarian of Basra, a true story from Iraq. راح نقراها وراح نستمتع بيها، فأتمنى تبقون ويانا حتى ناخذ فكرة عن هذه القصة. علياء محمد Becker is the librarian of Basra, a port city in the sand-swept country of Iraq. Her library is a meeting place for all who love books. They discuss matters of the world and matters of the spirit. Until now, they talk only of war. Aliyah worries that the fires of war will destroy the books, which are more precious to her than mountains of gold. The books are in every language, new books, ancient books, even a biography of Muhammad that is 700 years old. She asks the governor for permission to move them to a safe place. He refuses, so Aliyah takes matters into her own hands. Secretly, she brings books home every night, filling her car late after work. The whispers of war grow louder. Government offices are moved into the library. Soldiers with guns wait on the roof. Aliyah waits and fears the worst. Then, rumors become reality. War reaches Basra. The city is lit with a firestorm of bombs and gunfire. Aliyah watches as library workers and soldiers abandon the library. Only Aliyah is left to protect the books. She calls over the library wall to her friend Anas Muhammad, who owns a restaurant on the other side. Can you help me save the books? I can use these curtains to wrap them. Here are crates from my shop. Can you use these sacks? The books must be saved. All through the night, Aliyah, Anas, his brother, and shopkeepers and neighbors take the books from the library shelves, pass them over the 7-foot wall, and hide them in Anas' restaurant. The books stay hidden as the war rages on. Then, 9 days later, a fire burns the library to the ground. The next day, soldiers come to Anas' restaurant. Why do you have a gun? They ask. To protect my business, Anas replies. The soldiers leave without searching inside. They do not know that the whole of the library is in restaurant, thinks Anas. At last, the beast of war moves on. Aliyah knows that if the books are to be safe, they must be moved again while the city is quiet. So she hires a truck to bring all 30,000 books to her house and to the houses of friends. In Aliyah's house, books are everywhere, filling floors and cupboards and windows, leaving barely enough room for anything else. Aliyah waits. She waits for war to end. She waits and dreams of peace. She waits and dreams of a new library. But until then, books are safe with the librarian of بصرة. كان معكم مدرب اللغة وليد خالد. نلتقي بكم في قصة أخرى إن شاء الله. إذا حبيتوا هذه القصة نستأنف قراءتنا لبعض القصص الأخرى على هذا المنوال وعلى هذه الشاكلة، الاستفادة من المفردات. حاول إذا تقرأ قصة مثل هذه جلسة مدتها 5 دقائق و30 ثانية في 30 قصة، يعني 30 كتاب شهريا، فهذا إنجاز بالنسبة لك. خلي هذا مشروعك نهاية السنة، هذا الشهر تحديدا، في هذه 15 يوم اقرأ 15 قصة من هذولي. إذا حابينهم أنا راح أترك لكم مجموعة من عندهم، لكن للأسف صعوبة ربطهم على رابط على يوتيوب لكون بي كوبي رايت، لكن أقدر أنصحكم ببعض العناوين. ربي يحفظكم. مدرب د.وليد خالد.